come to Dollar Tree. So I see you when I get inside. I was trying to see what little candy they got for the little trick-or-treaters. Y'all make sure y'all be careful with them kids if y'all carrying them trick-or-treating. Ooh, they got some pretty decoration for Christmas. Can't believe this year done went by so quick. Ain't this cute? Oh my gosh. That's a pretty bow. Right there. Let me look over here, fam. If kisses were snowflakes, I'll send you a blizzard. Ain't this cute? Look at that. Ooh, they got some little lights. It's 20 minutes. I see they done start getting the boxes in. Okay. Now you can decorate your whole house. Look at that. They got a little small Christmas tree for $1.25, fam. Look at that. For $1.25. Got the little nutcrackers. Them some nice sizes for $1.25. Look at that. Some nice sizes. You would think that since it's $1.25, it'll be smaller, but it really isn't. How many come in that gift box? 2 for $1.25. Okay. Candy canes. Oh, they got, look at that. Wait a minute now, they got $3 on there. So the Dollar Tree is not so $1.25 no more. I see that. Oh, they must somebody in here stealing. This a darn shame. This the economy that we live in. It really and truly is. I'm gonna get one of these. Of course, I gotta get me one of these. Let me get one from the bed. I don't like to get nothing stand up here in the front. That day. Let's see what else. I guess they didn't stop selling my aloe vera juice, fam. I think they have. Oh, I see they got these for $1.25. Let me get one. If y'all haven't tried that, that is so good. I haven't tried the mandarin, but that pineapple is really good. Oh, they got a different, that brand, I don't even know what that is. Is that like a root beer? Sangria flavor soda. Okay. Comment down below if y'all ever tried either one of those. I thought Dollar Tree sell sugar. Am I overlooking the sugar? What a darn sugar at? I see a flower right there. Powdered sugar, brown sugar. Where's the regular sugar at? Y'all, am I blind? What a darn sugar at? thought they sold sugar. Oh my gosh. See, powder sugar. I don't know. I could have sworn they sold sugar, fam. Do I need any seasoning? I don't think I do. I'll get some of these noodles out. Alright, that's all. I'm getting some noodles, that drink, my powder to go in my water, and that cleaner stuff. I came in here for some sugar, but I don't see no sugar nowhere. Okay, fam. I see y'all at checkout.